Hi guys, very good evening. This is Sandy from Sandhai Pechu, and today is 30th June. So I'm going to analyze this stock for the next month, that is tomorrow, July 1st, and this is today is ends the second quarter. So let's move. We are moving forward to third quarter, and this is my channel, YouTube channel. So you can watch my videos for beginners as well as experienced people. So today, because the video I posted here is about technical analysis, what the stock is going to happen tomorrow, upcoming future, is based on complete technical analysis. So let's get into Nifty right now the talk of the town after Ruchi Soya. So this stock is the talk of the town, and they always Nifty gives a lot of priority combinations of 50 stocks. Everyone knows that. So see, the Nifty is in day candle. It's a completely the clear channel, and clear channel almost from 18th May the market is in clear channel. So see, there's a strong rejection is there. 10,300 as a strong support. Sometimes support can become resistance, or resistance can become support. We have a strong rejection over here, and see, it's a strong rejection over here, and definitely this last 4 days the market is in complete kind of, the pattern is not in the kind of sideways. We don't have much expectation. See, the 0.16% or less than 1%. See, less than 1% movement. So why this is happening here? Because when you get into like a Nifty option chain and see, the 10,400 and 10,500 has a huge open interest. We have open interest, nothing but sellers, right? Sellers are dominating this market. And see the change in open interest. The change in open interest as well as the open interest gives a lot of indication that the market will move. Most probably, like within this expiry, market might move to 10,400 to maximum to 10,500. See, in the put side, this is a huge open interest as well as change in open interest. This again, it gives a like indication like 3,91,000 is close to 3,92,000 open interest for the 10,000 put entry. So the market isn't steady in mind. Like if it moves further, we can expect at least 10,400 500 mark points, and in case the market comes down, not we can expect at least a 10,000 put entry. Not like, we cannot expect 10,000 within next 2 days, that is tomorrow and day after tomorrow. We cannot expect 10,000 points we cannot expect 500 points within 2 days. So probably we can come to a conclusion that market might get into like 10,400 10,200, depends on the market, Nifty volatility, all the things. Okay, that's what the market is inside. We'll see the rejections, lot of rejections happening. This is the last 4 days back. The market is in like a range bound market. Yeah. Okay, next stock, Hindustan Petroleum. Again, it's a huge stock. It's based on Government of India stock. See, the market is clearly again because I always prefer a day candle as well as I always prefer an higher time frame like day or monthly. Sometimes I used to go with the day candle. See the stock, Hindustan Petroleum. It's a clear trend line. Clear again from almost like past 1 month the market is in clear trend line. This is a clear trend line. Again, see the market, see this rejection. The market, this candle, this is a candle. It's a clear. The market gives a kind of like indication to the sell side, because there might be a false breakout. I'm not sure, because let's see tomorrow or upcoming days the market given, because this stock has broken the trend line, and moreover, see the 22nd June and 23rd June the market has given a huge resistance. This resistance again, see again, like after 3 months, after like close to 4 months, March, April, May, June, after 4 months the market has given a kind of indication like this is a strong. So it means, what I'm trying to say is the market is following the same pattern. Can we say the market is following the same pattern as on the third week? So we can expect the market could go down, or in case like, because the clear indication could go down, might go down, who knows, and always given us a rejection also, yeah, in the day candle. Yeah, so you expect, at least we can expect a minimum fall, let's see, always we can expect again like 170 or 200, depends on the market volatility. Okay, Reliance, it's a strong stock for the Nifty weightage. Day candle, see the market is formed a exactly descending triangle. There is a strong support. See, given 1 2 1 2 almost like 5 times the market doesn't break this low. 5 times near to the low. This is the 5th time also there. Today also the market doesn't break the low. If it breaks, we can expect a good fall, but still, because it's a kind of symmetrical triangle, might be we can expect a false breakout of something else. Let's see if the upcoming days of the market. ACC cement guy, good stock again. Okay, beautiful trend line. See, almost like close to 4 months the market following trend line. Not even a single rejection. The market has given not even a single rejection. If it breaks, let's see. Otherwise, we can expect again a market a kind of range bound or something else. Yeah. So this is my technical analysis. I've given a 4 stocks. So let's see for the future. Yeah. Thank you. And this is my YouTube channel. Please subscribe this channel and join my Telegram channel. In case if you guys are interested for the class or training, for online training, you can ping me to Telegram or email me. And just keep supporting me. And I need your wishes always. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. Stay safe.